Well, it is the first car show of the year of 2026 in our area, and people came out for it. There is a lot of cars here. Some of the same ones we see each year, but there are some new ones. What was that back end? You could go sleep in there. Yeah, that's got a neat dash. I love dashes when they're cool like that. Well, thanks for joining us. We saw a couple of new cars, actually a few more than a couple, you know. There's some pretty neat ones that I haven't seen before. So that was fun. It's nice to have these started again. Can't wait to see some more. Maybe some more new cars will come out even more. Got to talk to a young man and told him about the Ford Model A's. He was kind of looking at the car. And I was like, oh, you want to see the engine? He's all, yeah. He was actually looking at the paint, but he was like more than enthusiastic about seeing the engine.
You're a great Model A ambassador.
Yeah, he was really, you could just see his eyes just like, his brain was just thinking, it's really simple to take care of, and and the motor is easy, you know? Everything's easy to see, so that was pretty fun. That was cool.
I mean, if we can keep one of these things running,
anybody can.
Anybody can.
Yeah. Well, and have a nice Easter.
Yeah, I hope you have a very blessed Easter.
Blessed Easter, definitely. I can't believe it's already that time of the year. Wow. All right, you guys, stay well. And we're going to go have some more fun a little bit. They're going to announce winners soon and all that kind of stuff.
Yeah, and right now we're kind of trapped in here. We can't leave because there's
a
vehicle blocking our way.
Might as well see what's going on.
Might as well.
Yeah. All right, you guys, talk to you soon. Have a wonderful week. Happy Easter.